Hey, Luke Edwin here. Just want to say there's a plethora of cool things you can do when you mount a 360 camera at the end of a very long selfie stick. So you can get these shots that look like they're flying. You can make the camera look like it just magically floated through a house. Today I'm getting serious about the selfie stick. I am upping the game. I'm not just talking about a long selfie stick. I'm talking about a really, really long selfie stick, like a 24-foot long selfie stick. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so the selfie stick is longer than my house. Time to mount the GoPro. Let's go see what we can do with this thing. Alright, I am back at my house, and now it's time for my true review of this whole camera setup, ridiculously long selfie stick situation. My honest opinion, should you buy a selfie stick that long? No, don't do it. Not worth it. Way too long. It was like bendy, it was too heavy, totally impractical. You can get some really cool shots with an 8-foot long selfie stick, and I totally recommend that. You can buy one on Amazon for pretty cheap. I'll drop a link to one of those in the description below. I highly recommend an 8-foot long selfie stick. That's like the practical length. If you want to see a couple videos where I'm using that, then check out these right here. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.